Hey, number 4. So, is this problem any different? No. Does it look different? Yeah. Okay. When you see a little x, a little squared out here, that means you don't just have one binomial. You have two binomials. What I mean by binomial is two terms. So I have two of these. So I have two binomials of 5x minus 1, and that means I'm multiplying the two. Okay. And guess what? We're gonna do the box. Some of you guys like the FOIL, totally fine. If you want to do the FOIL first, outside, inside, last, go for it. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, don't do it, okay? All right, here we go. Box time. Okay, left terms go on the side. Left goes on the left, right goes on the top. Okay, if you notice it's the same terms on the side and the top. Okay, so 5x times x, oh, let's do one number at a time. The number 5 times 5, 25. X times x, x squared. Okay, negative 1 times negative 5x, negative 5x. And the same thing here, 5x times negative 1, which is the same thing, negative 5x. And then negative 1 times negative 1 gives us 1. And again, start with your first term. All right, then combine the like terms, which are always at a diagonal. Isn't the box awesome? Because it shows you exactly where to go. Negative 5 plus negative 5. Not minus, not 5 minus 5. They're both the same sign. Same sign, add them. Different signs, subtract them. Okay, negative 5 makes negative 10. And then the last term was 1. Woo! Next problem. Tricked you. Okay. Now, same thing, we use the box again. Some of you guys like to do this. Distribute. Totally fine. You can do that. No problem. I'm not going to do that way though. Ooh, I'm going to make a box. I have one number here, so one row. But I have 3 numbers here, so 3 columns. Outside number goes on the side, or number on the left. Okay, 4x cubed minus 5x to the 4th and 2. Okay, one number at a time. Negative 6 times 4 is negative 24. X to the 5th times x cubed, just add the exponents, is x to the 8th. Negative 6 times negative 5, positive 30. Hey, look, we're multiplying two negatives. What happens? It becomes positive. All right, x to the 5th times x to the 4th, add the exponents, x to the 9th. Okay, negative 6 times dos, itna, dada, negative 12. But then don't forget, x to the 5th. We are also multiplying. There's no x's up here, so it doesn't increase. It just stays x to the 5th. But now, you can't keep it in the box. Can't keep it all to yourself. Share it with the world. Okay, so we got to get those terms outside the box. But we got to put it in the right order. Standard, form, okay? How do we go? What goes first? Real Madrid goes first. That's right, because we're always in the lead, okay? Well, in La Liga, not really. Yeah, in Champions League too. Okay, anyways. All right, so first, 30x to the 9, because that has the highest exponent. Okay, then x to the 8th, so 24x to the 8th, and then minus 12x to the 5th. You notice we went in order, 9, 8, 5, in order of exponents. That tells you the standard form, and we're done. Now, number 6. Okay, so on the left, how many numbers? 2. On the right, how many numbers? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 2 by 3, box. That's what we have to put. Okay, and again, if you want to do x to here, x to here, x to here, and then 5 to here, 5 to here, 5 to here, that's totally fine. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't do it. Okay, 2 by 3 box. 1, 2, 3, and then divide it. Now on the left, x and the 5. On the top, the other terms that are on the right. And now let's multiply. Okay, let's do blue this time. Okay, there's no number here except for 1, so 1 times 4 is just 4. X times x squared, remember there's a 1 there, so just 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2. Okay, x cubed. 5 times 4, 20. Okay, and then we don't have an x here, so it's just x squared. Okay, 1 times negative 1, remember there's a 1 there, is negative 1. X times x is x squared. And then 5 times negative 1x is negative 5x. Okay, x, or 1x times 10 is 10x. And if you notice the pattern, every time we go on a diagonal, the terms are like terms. If you notice we have x squared and x squared, x and x. If you notice that you're not getting like terms in the diagonal, stop and check, did I multiply the x's correctly? Okay? You might have done this one, x times x, and then you didn't put a 2. Okay, check that. Okay, you should have a pattern there. Okay, then the last one, 5 times 10, 50. Stop there. I want you to put that expression together. Okay, add the like terms. Ready?
Are you ready now? All right, let's do it.
Okay, now, again, highest exponent goes first, 4x cubed. And just like I said before, the diagonals add up to each other, or they're like terms. So 20x squared and negative 1x squared is 19x squared. Negative 5x and positive 10x, that becomes 5x. Okay? Or, and then the last term, 50. Woo! That's a big expression. It's pretty heavy. It just makes you feel full inside. I think I'm done. Oh wait, no, we got actually some more problems to go. All right, 7a, here we go. We're gonna name that polynomial, but first we gotta put it in the right order, meaning standard form is what I gotta put it in. Okay, remember, go in order of the highest exponent, that little number up there. That 6, that 3, and that 2. Okay, what goes first? Well, 6 is the biggest, so x to the 6th. Okay, what's the next biggest one? The 3. So minus 7x cubed. Okay, then the last one, minus 11x squared. And remember, bring the sign with the number. So if 7 was negative to start with, make sure it's still negative when you bring it over here. Same thing with the 11, if it changes. And make sure that x stays positive as well. Okay? Leading coefficient, the number one number in the front of the expression. Well, that's the Golden State Warriors, right? Yeah, that's right, Curry. Woo! We're gonna get that second ring? All right, cool, cool. All right, so anyways, 1, because that 1 is the number in front. All right, so degree comes from the highest exponent, and the highest exponent is 6. And if you remember the term names, once we go past 5, it doesn't really have a name. It's just 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th degree. So 6th degree. Okay, terms. Well, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 terms, and the name for that is not a monomial, it's not a binomial, but it's a trinomial. Okay? Mono, bi, and tri. Trinomial. Okay? And that's for the second question. All right, 7b, here we go. Name that polynomial, but first we got to put it in the correct order. Here we go. So, highest exponent, 3, next highest, 2, next highest. Wait, what's that exponent there? If there's nothing there, it's a 1. So basically, we're going to go in that order. We're going to go this way, but we're going to start with the negative 11. Negative 11x cubed, then plus x squared, then the 7x. We have a new leading coefficient, ladies and gentlemen, negative 11. Okay, remember, just the number, don't include the variable, just the number for the coefficient. Oh, that's the definition of a coefficient, is the number that's in front of the variable, not the variable itself or the letter. Okay, degree, highest exponent, which is 3, plata. Okay, but then remember, if it's 3, we call it cubic. Just like we say 11, or x cubed, degree for 3 is cubic. Okay. And then terms, it has again 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. And the name again is trinomial. If it was just those two terms, it'd be binomial. If it was just one term, it'd be monomial. Moving on, number 8, second page, new video. All right, see you in the next video.